So exactly 1 month back, we posted a video about prop trading. So it was about prop trading, how prop trading you can go into prop trading, how you can get funded from around 50 lakhs to around 5 crore rupees. So there were lots of questions in terms of prop trading. People were asking, I've been profitable for the last 1 year. I've been profitable for the last 3 years. So there are lots of questions. So what we did is we tried to bring in the prop firm, and we thought we will do a podcast so that you will get a clear idea of what these prop tradings are doing, and how you can enter into prop trading if you are profitable, if you are not profitable, or in case if you have any potential, what are they going to do is what we are going to say in this podcast. Allow me to introduce Mr. Vishal. So Mr. Vishal is Mr. Vishal is with me, and Mr. Vishal is from Traders Cafe. So they have around 400 prop traders, and they handle a amount of more than 500 plus crores. So good evening, Mr. Vishal. How are you doing?
Good, good, great, Umar. Thank you for giving me an opportunity. Okay,
Okay. Lots of questions to ask to Mr. Vishal, from general questions to eligibility criteria, funding and capital allocation, profit sharing, traders benefit, long-term growth, career development, and additional questions also we have, which Mr. Venkat will also answer us. So, Mr. Vishal, I don't want to waste your time. Let me start by asking, can you give us an overview of your prop trading firm and its mission in India?
definitely, Umar. See what happened. A lot of people have a lot of misconception about what is prop trading firm is. So I just want to give them a small overview, what exactly the thing is, how the things are processed, okay, and what we do exactly out there. Okay, so Traders Cafe, it's South India's largest prop desk. It's
Okay,
located in Bangalore. Okay,
okay,
we are present in 6 cities right now. We have
okay,
8 offices. We have 400 plus traders, and
okay.
asset under management is 500 CR. Okay, so
500,
it's
500 crores.
500 crores. Okay,
Okay,
it's basically institutional trading is there. When you say a
okay,
prop, it's funded by the Traders Cafe. Okay, so it's like company fund, and the traders are trading on that money.
okay,
So there are a lot of rules and regulations is there. I just put it out in a simple way. Okay, that we need a lot of compliance rule is there because the safety of capital is important. And basically, it's a hedge thing. Whatever we do, it's a hedge position. We take it.
got it, got it.
Got it. Yeah.
So you have your own risk management, you have all your RMS in place, right?
Definitely needs to have it because everything needs to be in a proper place so that the security and the safety of the fund is there. Okay, we guide the traders also what rules, what compliance need to be followed.
Okay, okay. Thanks. Thank you, Mr. Vishal. So, what kind of trading strategies does our your firm specialize in? Are you open to styles like scalping, swing trading, or algo trading? Can you give us some idea?
Definitely. See what you have mixed up all the things together. When you say
Oh,
scalping, and this is a pattern of strategy, and what strategy we deploy is as an option seller. Okay, it should be risk averse. Okay, we should have a predefined. We should know that what is the maximum loss we can make it, what is the maximum gain we can make out. Okay,
okay,
when you do an open scalping, people do it, but it's not encouraged to do here in the prompts. Okay, so there should
okay,
be strategy should have a it should be properly hedged position that we need to take it here. Okay, when I say hedge positions, we see different scenarios. We do a lot of back testing on it. Okay, on a
okay,
given scenario, if the market opens 5% down, where are your positions are right now? Okay,
okay.
and how do you protect your fund? The safety of the capital is very important.
Got
What
it,
we
got
look
it.
for a return is a very minimal return we look at, but the safety and the position, the risk profiling, position sizing is very important for us.
Got it, got it, got it. So you are mostly into swing trading, right? Kind
I
of
will not.
swing trade.
No, I will not say it's not a swing. It's a lot of options. There's strategies, a lot of different strategies. There's butterfly strategy, calendar strategy. So it's not a swing trading. I say that swing trading is not a part of our thing. But we do take some views regarding the market when we are in exposed positions about it also. It's a
So
delta neutral strategy. You can take it.
okay, delta neutral. So okay,
Right.
like straddles, strangles, a delta
True.
neutral,
Very true.
right?
You got it right. Right.
Okay, okay. So how does your firm differentiate itself from other prop trading firms operating in India?
See, one of the USP that we are the market leader in South India right now. Okay, there are a lot of practices that we have followed it. That's why we have become the market leader. Okay, maybe
Okay,
the accessibility of the fund, maybe the training that is given to the employees out here. Okay, we are renowned for our back test strategy, the hands-on training we give it to our even for the inexperienced people. Okay, we have certain kind of training that we keep them under a lot of back testing which is done, so they are also they become confident to take a trade regarding it. Okay, and the certain programs we have introduced for our traders.
okay, okay. Great, great. That is great. So that's in terms of general question. And now coming to the second topic, which is eligibility and recruitment process. Now the eligibility criteria requires traders to be profitable for last 1 year, last financial year, and last 3 months. Let's say, for example, some traders are having position from January 2025 to March 2025. What key factors do you evaluate besides profitability?
See, we when we select a trader, okay, to join our firm, okay, or we undergo a training, okay, there's a process that we need to follow it. The written assessment is there. After that, even if trader comes with a verified P&L that I am profitable in the last quarter or last 1 year, okay, what strategy has deployed in that? That is very important for us. Is it a one-day game or is it over a period that he has made a money? So different factors will play that because market is very dynamic. In last
Yes.
1 year, we take out the days which have a big drawdowns. Okay, how that particular player has performed, what is the stop loss he has made it right now. Based on those criteria, we select a trader because at the end of the day, for him the sky is the limit. Starting from 50 lakhs of capital, he can go till 5 CR, and we have funded the traders beyond 5 CR also, depending upon their capability.
Great, great. So let's say, for example, last 2 or 3 years, I am profitable, but I am not having enough funds. So
Right.
is that enough for me to be recruited inside your firm or something like that?
Definitely, definitely. You're most welcome to be a part of this thing because we are looking for the bright talents right now. Okay, a lot of people don't have excess of fund. Okay, they do come and join us, and a lot of traders. I would say that I was one of the traders. I've come and joined under them. Okay, and I'm doing. I think I'm doing quite decent out here right now.
Great, 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 great. So let us say like how much do you expect? Is it like around 2% or 3%? Let's say annually, if a trader makes around 24 or 30%, is that okay? Is that fair enough?
See, there's a certain criteria process. Every prop has different. What we have said that on a decent way, every month or every quarter, a person should trader should make 6%. So monthly it becomes 2%.
Got it,
Okay.
got it, got it.
So in that way, if there's 4 quarters, what we are looking for around 24% kind of return. If it's
Okay,
somewhere near
okay.
about that, we are very happy to have it.
Great, 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 sir. Great, sir. So going to the next question, you also recruit traders who haven't been profitable recently. So what qualities do you look for in these traders before allocating capital? Let's say, for example, if some trader has potential but he is not having enough capital, or let's say he's not traded much, are you ready to recruit these kind of amateurs as well?
Definitely, definitely. See, what I will tell you one thing. More than the capital, the mindset is very important.
Okay.
Okay, how they are handling the funds. Okay, they maybe have access to funds but they are not confident because they have blown their account. Okay, first of all the psychology needs to be changed. Okay, a lot of amateurs do come to us. Okay, and there's a training process that keeps under us right now, so we need to change their mindset. Okay, it's only the strategy if I give that will not work out, they will again tend to do the same mistakes. Okay, it's a proper supervision is required. Okay, so there's a
Okay.
lot of mentorship program is also there where we train them, where we make them understand that look for the longevity of your fund, look for a return on the annualized basis, not on a daily basis.
Annual basis. Okay. Got it. Got it.
consistent return, that is more important rather than anything. Yeah.
Got it. So if a person, like, let's say for example, if a person is trading for what Mr. Vishal is trying to say here is, let's say for example, it doesn't matter if you are losing one day, or if you are losing making money another day. They don't look at your daily P&L. So what Mr. Vishal is saying is, you have to be consistent over a long term. Let's say for example, if you are trading 5 years, or let's say you are trading for 6 years, if you are profitable for last 4 years, that's more than enough, right? Correct me
Yeah,
if I'm
yes,
wrong,
yeah,
Mr.
Mr. What I mean to say, your strategy should be in place properly. We should follow the strategy like a Bible out here. Okay, we should not keep on hopping between that. Okay, whatever the system, whatever the process you have, you should follow it again. Okay, you should have a belief in that particular thing. Okay, if I keep on based on market dynamics, if I keep on changing, that will not work for us. That's why we do a back testing of 3 years, 5 years. Okay, and we become very confident about what we are deploying, how we are deploying in the market.
Got it, Mr. Vishal. So, going to the next question, can traders apply if they only have experience in simulated or paper trading, but not live trading?
See what happened now. They need to undergo a training. Okay, if they have something a similar experience, okay, they need to, because this is a specific field that we are talking about. It's a derivatives trading. Okay, that we need to look after it particularly. So, and moreover, in option selling, there are a lot of verticals is there. So we give a hands-on experience on that. So that makes the portfolio risk defined. That is very important for us again to do that.
Okay. Got it. So, next question is, what is the process of getting selected? Is there a live evaluation, interview, or a test, something like that? Let's say, for example, a trader is profitable. So, what is going to be the next process?
Okay, so there's a 3 or 4 steps that we need to follow it right now. There's a written assessment is there. Okay,
Okay.
and if a trader is profitable, they can come directly join us. Okay, that's what we have told already, that 15 months or last 4 quarters, 5 quarters, PNL needs to be shared with us. Okay, and the particular trader is eligible starting from 50 lakhs to 5 CR, depending
Okay.
upon the capital he's trading, the strategy he's deploying, and the returns he's generating. Yeah. And someone who is new to that, okay, someone who is an immature trader, okay, there's certain set process that he needs to undergo to pass those hurdles, and they can be also a part of traders career or the
S-
progress.
So you mean to say, if even if a trader is profitable, he is going to have some more test, or
Selection
some more.
criteria, right?
Okay.
Definitely.
Got it. So, going to the next topic about funding and capital allocation, your firm offers trading capital ranging from 50 lakhs to 5 crore. What factors determine how much capital a trader gets allocated?
Right. It's again, see, we need to see the past history of a trader. Okay.
Okay.
If someone is trading with X capital amount, okay, if I did, we give him 10X. Suppose someone is trading with 50 lakhs rupees right now, and I give him 5 CR, okay, will he able to handle that 5 CR right now? The mindset needs to be there, proper training needs to be done. We are ready to deploy it, but gradually we'll increase the capital. We'll see the
Got
how the person behaves it in the market.
got it. Okay, so going to next question. I'll clear one thing before going to the next question. What Mr. Vishal is saying. So when we say 50 lakhs to around 5 crores, what Mr. Vishal is trying to say is, even if you are profitable, let's say for example you are trading for around 10 lakhs or 15 lakhs. Now, when you are given 50 lakhs, are you having the mindset? Are you having the caliber to
Handle it.
trade with the 50 lakhs? Because let's say for example, when you trade with the 10 lakh, you might not see your MTM swing hugely, but when you trade with 50 lakhs, or let's say when you trade with 1 crore rupees, you are going to have a huge swing in your MTM. One big green candle or one big red candle, so MTM is going to be burst, go haywire. So that's why we asked this question. I hope you understand this question. In case if you have any further question, let me know on the comment section below. We'll try to answer that as well. Now, going to the next question, do traders need to put up any of their own money as a risk buffer, or is it completely funded model?
No, no, it's completely funded by the company. A trader doesn't need to get any money. This a policy doesn't allow that. It's totally 100% funded by the company.
So if a trader is selected, it is going to be a traders cafe who is going to fund all the
Also,
capital, right?
still break for 2 minutes. He's saying this to take a break for 2 minutes. This,
So we have resumed recording.
right.
Can traders apply if they only sorry? So okay, it's about funding. I'll just edit in this these things in the post. Okay. So the second question is: do traders need to put up any of their own money as a risk buffer, or is it a completely funded model?
No, no, traders doesn't need to put any money for that. It's totally funded by the prop desk out there. Okay, the compliance, the rules doesn't allow to be funded by any of the traders.
Okay, got it. So, going to the next question, how do you manage risk on capital provided to traders? Are there daily or monthly drawdown limits? So, this is very, very important, traders. See, if you are a trader, you have to understand drawdown or losses are inevitable. You cannot avoid that. Okay, if someone is saying that I can trade without a loss or something like that, it is not going to happen. Maybe very few people can do that. So can you give us a hindsight of this, Mr. Vishal?
You're very right, Umar. See, a lot of people need to understand stop loss is a part of a trading game. You can decrease it, you can minimize it, but you cannot avoid it. Please. So, based on one's capital, based on his strategy, whether it's a conservative, whether it's moderate, or whether it's aggressive, okay, we define the stop loss also in that particular thing. See, everyday market will not behave in the same manner which you want it. Okay, so stop loss needs to be there to protect your capital. Okay, maybe depending upon its own risk position sizing, we need to put a stop loss. Okay, and we need to get the probability right. Okay, we need to, if we are 75% plus probabilities is on a right, on the right side, we will be making ample amount of money. But stop loss, we cannot deny stop. We cannot trade without stop loss in the system. That's the compulsory that we need to put to the traders. Okay, please understand, it's not a hope trading that we are going to do right now.
Talking about Mr. Stop Loss, Mr. Vishal, just to give, out of curiosity, I'm asking, like, off lately, there has been events. If you can remember, April 2024, there was I think it was a Nifty expiry. There was a huge red candle. Nifty fell around, if I'm right, to 250 points or 300 points. So, is that will stop losses work in situations like where we are seeing spikes or injection? So, can you just give us an idea?
See what happened. There are few cases where the stop loss has jumped. Even if a trader has put a stop loss, no, those stop loss has skipped. Okay.
Okay.
To be very realistic in the market, even if I say that I have put a stop loss and it has respected all the stop loss, you will not find the right answer. Also. Okay. It has, okay. We have seen certain drawdown. Okay. But it doesn't happen in every day. Once in a blue moon options out there. Okay. And we need to close. See, there are certain strategy after this we have put in place how to mitigate the risk. Okay. How to reduce your losses behind it. How can we do that? There's the hedges need to be closer than that. Okay, maybe in the expiry day we need to have a different strategy to mitigate our risk, and we are following that. And after that also we were very much prepared for the injections which has supported this outcall for it.
Got it. So, you have SOP, standard
Right,
operating
right,
procedures.
right.
Okay, got it. So, going to the next topic, which is about profit sharing and traders' benefit. What is a profit sharing structure? How much do traders get to keep, and how does it vary based on performance?
See, but we have a, I would say that there's some structure that is for the traders. There's a fixed salary plus there's an incentive for the traders. Okay.
Okay.
again depending upon the capital that's been deployed or the capital they are managing. So a fixed salary starts from 50,000 rupees, and depending upon the experience, okay, and the returns, the fixed salary is decided. Apart from that, the variable pays, the incentive pays that. So there are certain ratings that, okay, this rating has been given to the traders, okay, what kind of strategies they put. Because in this pro traders club, when we appoint a trader, okay, when we do a new appointment of a trader, okay, certain ratings has been appointed to a trader, and based on that trader, we give them the allot, the salary is decided, and the variable incentive is also been decided, okay. So in this, see, we welcome. It's not say that only profitable traders are welcome out here, Umar. I would say that any trader who's an amateur trader who wants to learn, they are most welcome out here, because over here we give you a free mentorship and training to those people also, because we want to give them an opportunity. In Pro Traders Club, it's open for all. I would say that if you are passionate about something, or you want to do something, you want to learn about something, you are most welcome out here. This is an open forum they have made it for everyone. So that is the best part of it. When you say that at the training community, this training is a very lonely profession. You need to understand, okay? And we need to, because a lot of misguidance is there out here. How people are doing, what they are doing, and then they are burning their hands in that, okay? So if there's a proper mentorship there, guidance is there, and I'm very, very happy what Pro Traders Club is doing, and they're doing excellent job in getting the community more stronger right now.
Got it, got it, got it. So what Mr. Vishal is saying is like, uh, irrespective of whether you are profit, whether you are having your PNL, whether you are having your verified PNL, I'll tell you, verified PNL is crap. I don't want to talk about that. We'll talk about that in a different video. But what Mr. Vishal is saying is that it is not about your PNL, whether you are having, whether you are profitable or whether you are not profitable. So it's about building a team. It's about knowledge, creating knowledge, learning knowledge, creating a community, creating a forum, so that you can learn something. So what he says is, uh, you have a salary, plus you have a, if you are performing, if you are good at what you are doing, if you are passionate about trading, so they might give you a incentive between, let's say, 10% to maybe
No,
25%,
Umar,
or
I would like to correct out here. The
uh,
incentive is unlimited out here. There is no cap
unlimited,
on incentive.
unlimited in
Okay.
the sense.
In the means, see, there are various slabs are there. Again, I have to, in a very simpler form, is that when you see a salary is a fixed defined structure. Okay. The incentives are linked in such a way, because I'm not putting a cap on their capital also. Every quarter their performance is reviewed. Okay. Today they are
Okay,
suppose trading with 1 CR. They over in next quarter they may be trading with 1.5 CR also. So in a
got it.
in a year itself only, in an annual plan itself only, the performance incentive vary. So if I put a cap on 10%, because that will not hold right. So here is the chances is there to make, I said unlimited incentive. I would say that, or on a very higher side, you can make an incentive. The plan which
Got
is divided by this with this market league, no, in this pro trader scripts, they have taken care of a lot of things. What is the benefit for the traders also, as well as for the company also.
got it, got it, got it. Okay. So going to the next question, Mr. Vishal, does the firm provide any additional perks such as access to premium trading tools, data, mentorship, or risk management support?
Definitely, we have a lot of in-house tools are there. Okay,
Okay.
because our risk management should be up to the mark. We should be
Okay.
knowing before taking a position what is the hindsight of it. A trader should be knowing it. Suppose tomorrow your laptop crashes while you're trading. So you should be knowing your that what is the maximum losses I can be in this particular situation. So for that we follow a lot of tools are there, or a lot of algorithms tools are there, semi-algo tools are there, which we take help of. Okay, in a prop desk, and it's required also, because an ordinary person is very difficult to get access of all those things in one place.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Got it. So you do have sophisticated and advanced
Definitely, it's
trading
very much
tools.
required. It's very much required.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Got it. Are there, going to the next question, are there any restrictions on type of instruments traders can trade, such as stocks, options, futures, derivatives, commodities, currencies, something like that?
See, it's under Indian regulation. Okay, so it needs to be a derivatives trader only. Okay,
Okay.
Indian equity derivatives trader only, and primarily we encourage option selling. Okay, it can be a mixture of futures also, stocks also. So under derivatives umbrella, it comes under equity derivatives. It comes under right now.
So sorry to interrupt you. So if
Yes.
there is an option buyer, does he
Yeah.
have any space here?
See again, what happened? First of all, please let me elaborate this point to you.
Oh,
In option buyer, when you buy it, no, there's no limited downside to it. Suppose you have
okay.
bought a premium for 100 rupees, it can go zero also by the end of the day. Okay. First
Obviously.
of all,
Okay.
we need to have that. Okay, we need to have a predefined loss that okay, I will take 2%, 3% loss, or maybe half percent loss only, which is not possible in the type of option buying. Okay, if you're buying, then its position you need to be hedged by selling it also. You need to make a neutral position out of it, or you may be knowing that what is the limited of in which option buying. In option buying, it's not possible. That's why we discourage option buying in that, and it's not possible also. Okay, to do it. Okay, for individual traders also, we say that okay, the probability of winning an option buying is very less. Please understand, 90%, 95% of people lose money in option buying.
Hmm. Got it. Got it. And going to next question, Mr. Vishal. It's about
Mm.
uh, long-term next topic in the sense long-term
Mm.
growth and career development. Do traders have opportunity to increase their capital allocation over time based on their performance?
Definitely. Because once we also rate a trader, suppose a beginner trader has come to us, he's gained a mentorship trainer under us. Okay, there was a lot of free mentorship and training has been provided, and over the period of time, I'm not talking about a mixture. Okay, if a trainer is already good based on their performance, we do it. Okay, as the trader is giving return, okay, how he's performing in his funds. So we always there's a possibility of growth is there. We can increase his corpus. Okay, there's a lot of leadership, mentorship role he can go over a period of time. Because once he started understanding the concept of the market, he can make this them understand to a newbie also. So over a period of time, there are a lot of opportunities for a trader is there. The profit.
Okay, okay, got it, got it. And
Mm.
what long-term career opportunity exists for traders at your firm? Can they transition into leadership role or larger institutional trader positions?
Definitely, this is an institutional desk only. Okay, maybe a trader starts with a small journey with maybe with a minimum 50 lakhs corpus, but possibility is there that if you follow the proper procedure, okay, there's a proper way of managing the funds, then the sky is the limit for it. Okay, he can look for the different role. Like now we are talking about mentorship program. So the mentorship program is taken directly by the experienced trader only. So if you're now payroll and if he's getting that experience, we want him to share this experience to someone else right now. Okay, it's a practical training rather than a theoretical training.
Got it, got it, got it. Okay, thank you, Mr. Vishal. It's been really good. We believe whatever questions when we posted that video a month back, we had lots of questions. So we combined all these questions and we try to ask the person who is in charge of this prop trading firm. So there is a specific question in terms of fees. Like, what is the question is people have asked this question. If a trading firm, if a proprietary firm is looking for traders, why should a trader spend around 20K for this trading firm to recruit people? So that was a main question, and I thought this should be answered. And can you answer this, Mr. Vishal? So, see, if you are looking for proprietary traders, why would people traders pay around 20K or plus for these things?
Okay, see, this event it was conducted by Market League, okay, Pro Traders Club. Okay, this event is particularly sponsored by Traders Cafe. And why it is important, let me tell you what happened. This is a very we need to shortlist the right set of traders. There's a procedure for that. Okay,
Okay,
and there are a lot of benefits for the trader also. They get
okay,
access to certain tools to it, certain mindset. The platform is ready for them. By just paying a meager fee out here, they're getting to access to a lot of people. The mindset they're getting it right now. Okay, they're getting a career path on that particular thing. So there's lot of cost is also involved in that right now. Okay, and moreover for this event, there's an accommodation is also provided there right now. Okay, there's a meal is taken care, and apart from that also they see in this whole thing. No, we need to understand a lot of things. This portfolio, a lot of things to be learned as a trader, which they are not able to learn right now. Okay, certain automation trading, algo based trading, portfolio hedging should be there. So all these part will be trained on over to them in this particular event to the new traders also. So that's why the fees is nothing in combined to the learning they will be getting.
Got it, got it, got it. Great, great. So, whatever questions we had in our mind, we have asked Mr.
Yeah,
Vishal.
sorry, Umar. One most important which I forgot, the networking. Okay, because all these are pro traders that will be coming. So being a newbie, that can the networking access you can have. Few fund managers, a lot of fund managers will also be, because these people are managing from last 10 years, 15 years. Okay, so kind of practical experience which they will be sharing. Okay, the lot because a lot of people have doubt how to go about it. How can I see myself 5 years down the line? So all these doubts can be cleared with who is practically trading, okay, rather than just giving a particular training on this particular things. I hope you understand what I mean to say, that it's
Yeah, yeah.
one on one, their doubts will get cleared out here in this platform.
Got it, got it, got it. So to end this video, we have been already around 35 minutes. 35 minutes. So the conclusion is, I'll just give you an recap of what we have talked in this video, what conversation we had in this video. Let's say, for example, if you are a trader, if you are a profitable trader, you can come and participate in this event. This event is going to happen on March 31st, 2025 in Bangalore. I will leave the link in the description below. Not only if you are profitable, even if you are not profitable, you are going to be, there is going to be a scrutiny. There is going to be a scrutiny in terms of your strategy, what strategies you are using. If you have the potential, if they see that you have the potential, there is every possibility that you can be recruited, is what we saw in this video. And in terms of profit sharing, if you are profitable after the scrutiny, if you are profitable, if they see there is potential, you are going to get a salary, you are going to be allocated funds between 50 lakhs to 5 crores, and you are going to be intensive there is going to be incentives as well, apart from salary also, right? And in terms of long term growth, as Mr. Vishal told, there are possibilities to go up the corporate ladder. You might be a big trader in the future. So as he told, his firm Traders Cafe is the biggest firm in South India, having more than 400 prop traders plus handling 500 crores of uh, investments, right? And in terms of other thing, additional question, we asked why we have to pay 20K. He also answered that, see, there are lots of cost, there are lots of overhead in terms of this event, right? You are going to stay in a five-star property, so it is going to cost you 2 days of five-star property with breakfast, lunch, everything is going to cost you, right? So when you compare what you are going to learn, this whatever you are going to pay is not going to be a much of this thing, right? So thank you, Mr. Vishal, for participating in this podcast. I'll see you soon in Bangalore, and in case if you have any doubts, let me know on the comment section below. If we want, we will have another podcast with Mr. Vishal. I'll end this video here. I'll see you in yet another video. Till then, take care. Bye.
Thank you so much.